Hello, to whom it may concern. This is going to be about VW model that you are facing an EPS problem where the steering light shows red. So what you need to do here is quickly go underneath the car and unhook the wiring harness, which you saw me touch the big one and the small one. They got two. The big one have two gigantic cable that is supplying constant 12 volts power supply there, and the other one is actually the data communication as much as the CAN bus line. So when you have this disconnected these very two wires, then sometimes you can actually have to do it and pry off those aluminum. Now it's time for test. You need to extend the wire back on the front of the car. Right, the reason why I'm making this video is for most of you guys who are in the West and have junkyards. So you can go to junkyard and get any of them, then position it just like we position it right now, then socket it. Right now, the next thing you want to do after that, after socketing it, is to come back inside the car, then turn on the ignition on. Then you wait. Now you see we've turned it on here and the power steering light is showing red. So that means that one is not good, right? We can be able to determine how long it's gonna last if suppose you find a good one. So if you stay for 5 seconds and it didn't show orange or yellow, then it means it's not good. So which means you need to keep testing. Now we're gonna test more to show you that this is actually the best method. The reason for this very video is to save you going to install it and after the whole thing it didn't work out. So now we're gonna go ahead and get another one which we're gonna be going ahead to test. And when that orange light is back on the dashboard, on the power steering shining orange, then you know that the EPS which you have gotten from the junkyard is still good. The reason for this is because you can save yourself thousands of dollars in getting one from junkyard than going to get another, buy a brand new one which is more pricey. So that is why we are performing this test to show you how it's done. Now before this very video ends, I want you to watch and see the process. Now this one is showing red, so we're gonna test the next one, and we test a lot here, and the one which we found out is actually the emitted orange is the one we decided to go for. So that red light there, the power steering light, the steering light has to be orange, and when it's orange then it means it's good. Hello. Okay, now we are testing another one. We have removed the other one and we're about to test another one. You can see him taking it off right now, right? So now he has brought another one. So this one he brought right now. Let's proceed to test it after he connected. So this is more like a bench test, a typical bench test of the EPS, electrical power steering assisted. So let me go ahead and turn on the ignition. Then we should see the orange Christmas tree. This probably gonna be for the Christmas, and there you have it right there. So you see right there, this one worked. So that is how you should be able to bench test the EPS. Okay guys, catch you later.